Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Louise Nichols, I'm a textile artist and I live in Cornwall. So welcome back if you've been here before, and welcome as well if you are a new viewer. So I just want to update you with a few things that have been going on. So first of all, I've not been very well. I've had a horrible cough and cold sort of flu-y thing. And I've got sciatica. So I had them, well, I've still got the sciatica, the end of the cold, excuse me, having them both together, oh my gosh. And if you've ever had sciatica before, the pain, I can't tell you how painful it is. Anyway, I've been to the doctors, I've got some stronger painkillers, but I'm just being very, very mindful of what I'm doing. So no printing at the moment. I've not been driving. I had to cancel a workshop, which I hate doing. I think I've cancelled 2 in 15 years. But anyway, it was just, I just couldn't do the workshop. And, you know, I've been doing stretching exercises, sleeping with the pillow between my knees. So, yeah, so I haven't really been doing very much at all. And as I say, it's been a strange couple of weeks because I've, you know, life has not been normal. It makes you realise how much we take it for granted, actually. So anyway, I have done a little bit of stitching. But to be honest, it's been so uncomfortable, even just sat. I've not done a lot of that. But it's easing a little bit. So certainly the painkillers are helping, but I'm still being very mindful of how I'm sort of moving, sitting, going up the stairs, getting dressed, that kind of thing. So today's video is really a little update on what I've been doing on the prints. So this is a follow-on really from a video from probably about a month ago, where I'm just showing you what I've been stitching. So I'm going to bring you a little bit closer and show you what I've been doing. Okay, so I'm going to start with the hearts. So you can see I've done 3 different colourways of the heart, all of which I'm really pleased with. So I'll now make some samples where I take the photographs so that they're ready to go into the instruction booklets. So I think, yeah, pleased with those. Also pleased with my little dog. I really like him. Really pleased with him. So he will definitely be going forward into being a kit. Now, I can't promise when these kits will be available, especially at the minute. I don't know how long this is going to take to heal or to get better. I'm being very, you know, I'm trying to be very careful as I'm moving, so I don't want to irritate it any further. So, as I say, no printing at the moment. But yeah, anyway, so now this was the one that was inspired by that initial piece of work that I'd done. Trying to think. Yeah, I'm not going to go and fetch it. I'm not going to go and try and find it. Anyway, so I've finished this one, and this is the other colourway that I've been working on. I like both of them. So I think that this will be probably available as both colourways in the kit. So you can see I've not quite finished stitching this one, but yeah, really pleased with that. My seagull, I'm happy with this as well. So I've done 2 samples of this one. So the first one was this pale one here. And even as I was stitching this, I realised that I needed something solid at the bottom. I needed a base at the bottom. So that now means that that's not square. And I want these all to fit into a square sort of set of designs. So what I'm going to do is to go back to the lino, cut itself, and I'm going to take this top section out here. So I've restitched this as well in some slightly darker colours, which are the colours I'm going to go with. I just feel it gives it a bit more definition. Let me put them side by side and you can see. I like this one, but I think this one has more impact. So I'm definitely going to be taking out, because I've put the crosses next to that bit to remind me, definitely going to take out that top section there, and it still works as a square, which I'm really pleased with. So I'll need to reprint that before I can then do the photographs for it to go into the kit. The hair, I'm really pleased with this one as well. So I think I'm not going to be doing a different colourway with this one. I'm just happy with it as it is. So another new design. Right, so we're on to beachy things now. So this was the, I think again I showed you probably the design, didn't I, the drawing out of this. I still need to play about with this one. I think I need a different colour roof on here. I feel as if it's, and I'm not sure about this bit at the bottom, so I'm considering, there's the original print look, I'm considering taking out this section here. I don't think it needs it. I think that works just with the sea, you know, these sort of scrolls, which is sort of the idea of the sea, the waves. I think that works without that bottom section, in which case, or I, excuse me, or I do put a piece of felt along the bottom here, but then that means I don't need a piece of felt along here. It's too much having these two strips, so that needs a little bit more playing about with. So looking forward to carrying on. I've been enjoying stitching this one, so looking forward to doing a little bit more with it. I like the red in it. I think that gives it a nice colour pop, and I wanted to keep it very sort of seasidey greens and blues, but I think this needs a little bit more of a contrast. I did cut out, let me just get it because I can see it on the side. I did cut out the roofs in this sort of teal, or a little, not quite the right shape, but in this teal blue, and I think that probably works better, and I'm not sure. Yeah, so a bit of a play with that one still. And then I haven't actually done any work on this one, but I did manage to get the print done. So this is the one that's based on this. So I printed some fish, and I think I probably will bring in this kind of rusty coloured fish as well. And then this was the, so this will go into fit into a 10-inch hoop. I liked these original colours, so I've printed on the same fabric in the same, I mixed the same sort of blue, but I also printed it in the same colours as the beach huts, on a very pale cream fabric as well. So I'll have a play about with both of those, and see which one works better. But I need to print some more fish for that, so that won't be happening for a little while yet. So that's really where I've got to with work. So I'm doing a little bit of stitching. It's just a bit slow at the moment. So I have a couple more workshops next week, and which I'm hoping, with the being able to take the painkillers, I'll be able to do those workshops, but I'm just being very, very careful. So a short and sweet video this time. So thank you very much for watching. I will be back with the leaf tree bird tile design at some point. And if I get a little bit more stitching done on these, maybe another little update on work. So as I say, thank you for watching, and see you next time.